my dear students, welcome back to your English class. Students, in this class we are going to read the next topic, and that is phrases, which is chapter number 14 of your grammar book. So let's start. You have already learned what is phrase in the first chapter, that is the sentence. But let's start again. What is phrase, students? A phrase is a group of words that is used as a single part of speech that does not connect a verb and its subject, means they do not have the subject verb agreement. Clear? And the example you can see that: with soft brown fur, under the dining table, after the high school football game. So these all are the group of words, right? Aren't they? But they are not conveying the complete sense, isn't it? So they are the phrases. So you can say that phrases are the group of words that do not convey complete sense, and also they do not have the subject verb agreement. Now moving to the next, here are the types of phrases. So we are going to read about the 5 kinds of phrases. They are noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase and prepositional phrase. Okay, so they all are the parts of speech, isn't it? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb and preposition. They are all the parts of speech. But we will read that what are the phrase. Noun phrase, verb phrase and all. Okay. So now let's first start with the noun phrase. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, isn't it? So what is noun phrase? A group of words that headed by a noun that include modifiers. Means if we will add some modifiers to the noun, then that noun will be, that is called the noun phrase. So you can say that man, the man is the noun, which is the common noun, right? And the is modifying the word, the noun man, right? So now this will completely call the noun phrase. Similarly, girl is the noun and we are modifying it with the article a, and now this will completely call the noun phrase. Okay, so these are the example of noun phrases. I hope it is clear. When we add something to the noun, when we modify the noun, that is called the noun phrase. Now we have understood what is noun phrase. First of all, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. And then what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase, any word in the sentence that modify it. Means when we modify the noun, that is called the noun phrase. We can modify them with the articles or some adjectives also. A beautiful man, a beautiful girl, a handsome guy. So they are called the adjective, and adjective are describing or modifying the noun. Dog is the noun, the brown dog is the noun phrase, because the word the is article and it is modifying the noun. So I hope it is clear to you all what is noun phrase. Now let's move forward and understand what is prepositional phrase. Okay, so what is prepositional phrase? A group of words that consist of a preposition. What is prepositions? Which tells us the location, the time, okay, of anything. So a group of words which must have a preposition, like at, on, in, under, beside, behind. So these all are the preposition. The object of the preposition must be there, and any modifier with also be there with the preposition and the object of preposition. You can see the example over here. The genie from the brass lamp, the jinn from the brass lamp granted 3 wishes. Okay, so the jinn from the brass lamp. So you can see that from is the preposition, and along with the preposition you can see that the lamp is the object, and we are modifying the lamp with this adjective, that is the brass. So the brass is the modifier, lamp is the object, and from is the preposition. So these all three conditions are applying over here, and that's why this group of word will be called as the prepositional phrase. So whenever you need to find the prepositional phrase, these three conditions should be followed. A preposition must be there, object must be there, and any modifier that is modifying the object must be there. So I hope you have cleared what is prepositional phrase. Students, now we are going to read that what is adjective phrase. So you must know that what is adjective, what are the adjective. An adjective phrase tells us what kind or which one. Okay, an adjective phrase almost always follows the word it modifies. So you can see that one of my friends showed me a book about a shark attack. So you can see that one of my friends modifies the pronoun one. One is the pronoun here, and we are modifying the pronoun with this word, this group of word, and this group of word will be called as the adjective phrase. Because what is adjective? Adjective modifies the noun or pronoun, right? So adjective phrase also modify the noun or pronoun. So here one is the pronoun, and the word of my friends, this group of word is describing or modifying the pronoun, and that's why this group of word will be called as adjective phrase. Similarly, you can see that about a shark attack. So this is modifying the noun, that is a book. So what kind of book? So it is telling us what kind. Okay, so this is also a adjective phrase because it is describing the noun. I hope it is clear to you all. Now let's move forward and understand what is adverb phrase. Okay, so what is adverb phrase? So you can see some example. So adverb phrase, adverbial phrases are two or more words that tells us about the verb. So they describes the verb. Okay, so what are the adverb phrase? Adverb phrase tells us about the verb. They are just one part of the sentence. They won't make sense on their own. They tell us the use of how, where, when or why. Okay, so these are the adverb phrase. Let's understand it more clearly with some example. You can see here. So you know that what is adverb? Adverb are the words which describes the noun, which modify the modify the verb or describes the noun verb. So here you can see that ran is the verb. She ran with speed. So you can see that ran is the verb and we are describing it with the speed, and we have tells in what way. So this is telling us how she ran. So this is adverb phrase. Now you can see next example. I was frightened at the time. Tells when. Okay, so this is describing how, when you frightened. Okay, so this is the adverbial phrase. The birds flew over the house. So it is telling us that where the bird flew. So here it is describing flew, okay, and telling us where, okay, rolled. So here you can see that these all are the words which are describing the verb. So I hope it is clear to you. We can say that adverb phrases are the phrases which describes the verb. Am I clear? Okay, let's move forward and understand the last kind of phrase, and that is verb phrase. What are the verb phrases? Student, this is the very easy phrase to find out. Verb phrase show time and express action, means when the action has taken the place. So it must have a helping verb and the action word, or helping verb and action combinedly make verb phrase. So you can say that helping verb plus action verb, or you can say the main verb combinedly make verb phrase. So you can see some example. I am studying. Here am is the helping verb. Studying is the main verb, and this will combinedly call the verb phrase. They are playing chess. So you can see that are is the helping verb, playing is the main verb, and now they will combinedly call verb phrase. They will fail. So here you can see that will is the helping verb, fail is the main verb, and it will combinedly called as the verb phrase. I hope everything is clear to you. Still, we have already discussed this thing in the live classes. We will be, if you have any doubt, we will be discussing more about it in the live class. So I hope everything is clear to you. We'll meet in the next class with new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and do practice of phrases. Thank you.